Hello YouTube, today we're going to look into the FCONEGY F400 portable jump starter for jump starting your vehicle and for fast charging of your devices. Hi, I'm Eric Hernandez. Let's take a look at this portable jump starter. Okay, first we're going to open this case up and take a look at what's inside. You'll see the warranty card. It says to contact support, but no information on how long the warranty is, which I think it's important to have in there off the bat. Okay, the next thing is your FCONEGY jump starter. And it's pretty sleek, it's portable, it's compact, and check that out. It's really nice. In the compartments, you'll find the FCONEGY user manual filled with the instructions on how to use the jump starter, but it's user friendly and you'll figure it out. That's not a problem. The next up is going to be the USB Type-C cable for charging the jump starter. Next up, you'll see the EC5 car cigarette lighter for things like your portable air compressor. And then finally, we have the smart battery cables. Now the clamps are small in size, but they seem like they're made really well and have a firm grip, and I'm pretty sure the contact won't be a problem to your battery. So let's look at the connections here. So first you'll see the connection for the smart battery cable. That's it, right there. And you just plug that in and you're ready to go. Now, first things first, the on and off switch. You turn the switch to on and then you press the power button. And the LED display will come on, showing the percentage of charging. It won't go up to 100%. I'm not sure why, but it also comes with a compass just in case you get lost. If you press the power button again and hold it down for a few seconds, the flashlight will come on. And if you press the power button again, it will strobe. And then if you press the power button another time, it will do the SOS signal. The flashlight itself, it's bright. It'll do the job. It's bright enough to work on any dark spaces that you'll be in, like under the sink or under the hood. If you need a flashlight, this is your go-to flashlight, and it's pretty bright there. This is the EC5 car cigarette lighter plugs into the output right there. And this is your Type-C USB cable that connects to the Type-C port, which is located, well, I'm going to show you this. My camera's a little out of focus, but I'll try to get it focused for you. All right, so here we go, and there it is. Okay, good. And you plug that right in there. And of course you have your two USB outputs that will be able to connect your devices such as your tablet or your cell phone. Okay, I hope this was informative. Please give it a thumbs up, and thank you for watching, and have a great day.